Water and oil don't mix. It's a well-known adage in the lubrication business. But what exactly does that mean? Yes, water contamination can be problematic, but how can water be measured? Can it be controlled? What are the best options for removing it? Water contamination can have on hydraulic and other lubrication systems. Now let's see states of water in lubricants. Water can be present in hydraulic fluids and other lubricants as either dissolved, emulsified, or free water. The point at which the fluid cannot hold any more dissolved water is called the saturation level. If more dissolved water is present than the fluid can hold, the excess water or free water can be present as an emulsion. Typically, oversaturated fluids appear cloudy. How much water a fluid can hold at saturation strongly depends on the fluid base stock type, the additive package, temperature, and pressure. Highly refined mineral oils with few additives hold little water before becoming saturated, about 100 parts per million at 70°F, and ester-based hydraulic fluids, such as those used in rolling mill applications, can have saturation levels of more than 3000 ppm at 70°F, and higher still at higher temperatures. On the other hand, free water can be observed in a lubricant if the saturation level is reached or exceeded. To get similar type of content, stay connected with us. Thanks.